Hello everyone, and today is the video you've all been waiting for. My installation and exploration of Windows Vista Starter. So, I'm going to create a new virtual machine. And by the way, I'm recording on my laptop. I did not upgrade my desktop to Windows 11 because I recorded on my desktop in the Windows 7 starter video. So yeah, I did not upgrade to Windows 11 on my desktop, unfortunately, because I can't, but I can on this, and I'm on vacation, so this is the only computer I could bring, so yep. Alright. Anyway, that's not what we're going to talk about this video. We're going to talk about Windows Vista Starter and install it and explore it. So anyway, this is a 32-bit ISO, so I'm going to select Windows Vista 32-bit, and you can call it whatever you like. And this is the same laptop that I used for the Windows XP starter video 3 years ago. So yeah, Windows Vista starter. The ISO I am using has all the versions, but I'm just going to call it Windows Vista Starter. Wait a minute. It changed it to 64-bit. No, I want 32-bit. There we go. Alright. All that stuff is fine. Next. And settings. Storage, empty. Choose a disk file. Alright, and it's starting. I'm going to go ahead and maximize my window here. I'll put it in full screen. Windows is loading files. As you can see, it's booting. That was the fastest boot ever. I don't know if you saw how fast that was, but that was quick. That quote is from Red Eye Computing on his Breaking Windows XP video. Alright. All our settings are good, so I'm going to hit next. And I'm going to hit install now. Oh crap. Oh, I can automatically activate Windows when I'm online. Yep, next. No. Okay, it's loading. Alrighty. And as you can see, this has all the versions of Vista, but for this video, I'm going to select Windows Vista Starter. Yep, Windows Vista Starter. Yep, I accept the terms. Custom. Drive disk 0 on allocated space. And alright, it's installing Windows. So I won't have you guys sit through the whole installation, so I will just come back once it's installed. Alright, so I'm at this setup now. It's done installing. It's almost done. So I'm going to enter my name. I'm not going to enter a password. I'll select the robot because I think it's cool and hit next. Again, it has different backgrounds for Windows Vista Starter as well, so I'm not going to select the background, so I'm just going to see what the original background is. So next, okay, do that even though Windows Vista has been unsupported for 5 years. Let's go Eastern. It's not 1024. It's 1:24 p.m. Hold on, guys. Alright, guys, sorry about that. I just had to do something. It's actually now 1:40. Yes, quite some time has passed since the last scene. Because I had to do something with my dad. I'm going to set it to 20. And wait till it hits 20 seconds. Alright, and this is the home computer. Start. Alright, I'll be back once it's checked the performance and it's logging in. Alright, I'm back and now it's actually a quite quick performance check. Sorry about that. As you can see, here's the welcome screen. There's no default background. The default background is just a blue color. And in Windows Vista, I'm sure as you know, it's the Windows Vista default background with the all the different colors and stuff. But yeah, this does not have a background, just has a basic blue background. So I'm gonna make things a little faster, just like in the Windows 7 starter video. Start Control Delete and cancel. Yep, see, that always works. And here's the default background for Windows Vista Starter. I did not set this. This is the default background, which is just a bunch of giraffes just hanging out. Alright. Now we're going to explore this OS. I'm going to go to Control Panel. I'll see if I can't bump up the resolution a little bit. Still has the Welcome Center, just like the default Windows Vista. We're going to try a 1152 by 864. Oh, no. Let's try 1024 by 768. That's better. Here's mobile PC. I think it has this option because I'm on a laptop. And yes, that battery indicator is right. Yep. Yeah, but the start menu is the same. Let's see if it has the arrow theme. Personalization. Nope, there's no arrow effect. I think they removed arrow. Yep. Let's go to the games. They removed a lot of the games in Windows Vista Starter. Just has 6. Free Cell Hearts, Minesweeper, Purple Place, My Personal Favorite, Solitaire, and Spider Solitaire. Yeah, they don't have the classic ink ball that was only exclusive to Windows Vista. Yeah, they didn't have ink ball. As you can see, Windows Vista Starter down here, if I go to Windows Vista Starter, copyright 2007. Alright. It has Windows Live Messenger, which is not a thing anymore. Let's see if Internet Explorer is the same. Yep, looks the same. I'm gonna close out of it. Let's go to computer. Let's see if Windows Explorer is the same. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Local disk, system properties, all that. Yeah, a lot of this stuff is pretty much the same. There's Start Search, Windows Movie Maker, my default program settings, and yeah, and the startup thing is empty. So yeah, guys, that's Windows Vista Starter, me installing and exploring it. That's pretty much it. It's basically just like Vista, only with a few changes and a few features removed. Basically almost like 7 Starter, except it's Vista. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.